Guess what finally arrived? The Access from Taubik. This is your premium trike. This has the rear differential, so when you turn, one wheel goes out, 20 amp LG battery, 48 volt of course, quick shift. They just came in. I love that they did we've already been riding it as you can see, a 3-inch tire instead of a 4. And so this is your perfect for gravel and road. And it is a pivoting, so it's got a pivoting frame with a heavy duty adjustable shock. This is gonna be the nicest ride. I can feel it already. The seat is awesome. So this is my first ride. Let's go check it out. Will she make it? Yes. So already this is a bike that's going to fit somebody who's 6'4" to 5'3", and that's key. Brake light, signals. Okay, so when you've got 7 gears, quick shift, hydraulic disc brakes, throttles on that side. I have it on level 1, so I have full throttle, 0 to 32. The real feel is that trikes do take a little bit to get used to, because when you corner, you feel like you want to fall the other way, right? You're not leaning into corners, you're forced to lean out. So it takes a little bit to get used to, but it fits like a glove. Woo! Torque sensor. See the suspension? It's like it could be a bouncy thing, like a bouncy, you know what I mean? It's a pogo stick. Right? So over 300-pound capacity, so if you're a big dude, don't worry about it. You just might want to tighten up the suspension a bit, right? So back issues, this is the one for you. Yeah, I just don't think it gets better than this. We've got the Taubik Spirit. It's a smaller tire, so different feel. So this one sits up higher. The handlebars are adjustable as well, so I would want these a little bit closer to me. The comfort handles, the grips are amazing. It's Taubik, man. They just do things right. $32.99. Come in 3 spectacular colors, white, matte black, and this incredible blue that we haven't seen yet. Look at that headlight. Brake lights, signals. See those? Adjustable front suspension. That's heavy duty suspension. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it's on now. Oh, it's got the slap chain guard. Ryan always makes fun of me because it's a slap guard. Ooh, power. That little thing, so because it's a longer chain on the trike, and so that can hit your frame, so they put protection there so it's not going to affect your frame. Does come with touch-up paint, I believe. It's got power. Oh, you see that? She got some torque. Okay, let's take it through the gravel. Torquey. Now it doesn't have to be, don't let that scare you. You can dim that down a bit. And remember, it's torque sensor. So whatever effort you put in, it puts out. I know I'm driving the bleep out of it, but I want to show you that it's not underpowered. So if you want to load this up with like water bottles or anything like that, this is definitely going to take it. The throttle you have control over. I'm just being a bit aggressive and like full throttling it, but it does take off slowly. But again, it's I think it's 500 watt. It feels more than that. I'll have to check. I feel like this is like 1,000 watt. No, it's 500. I remember looking. Anyways, the other thing that you're looking for in a trike is like your distance. Sometimes you don't have enough of like the sizing doesn't fit. So I'm 5'3", but we don't have Alex here. So this can go all the way up to there. So if you're somebody who likes to extend your legs, you can do that. And this position still feels okay. You could raise your bars if you wanted to. The point is that this is a bike, this is a trike that's going to fit a lot of a big span of different size people. So when you're looking for a trike, you definitely don't want a motor in the front, you want a motor in the back. Being pulled is unsafe. If your steering goes like this and it engages, you're down. So that was fun. Could really drive the crap out of this, or nicely. But you know, you buy once, you buy right. It's $32.99. LG batteries, 48 volt, 20 amp hour battery, so you're gonna get tons of distance. If you don't do anything, you're gonna get about 50 kilometers. Once you participate, you should be able to get well over 100 kilometers. Nice quick shift, just beautiful components, and that's what Taubik's great at. So yeah, let me actually show you the screen and some stuff. I was having too much fun there. So the trike's always in neutral. You just pull the right hand lever in and bring that lever up. Okay, so now it's in locked. Pull it in, bring that down, and now it's in neutral. That's your bell. This is your quick shift. So easy, harder, super easy on the hands. To turn it on, you press and hold this for about 3 seconds. Taubik screen's gonna come on. You're on 0 right now, so there's no power and there's no pedal assist. As soon as you put it to level 1, then you've got full throttle, 0 to 32 here. Gives you all the information you need there. You've got your signals, left and right. To turn on your light, you press and hold the up button. Do the same to turn it off. I don't know what this is. Oh, this goes through your screen. So trip, max speed is 32. Average speed is 5.9. That's nice. I've saved 0 trees. So yeah, so that goes through your menu. So yeah, that's how you use it. This is the new Access. It's here, it's ready. We ship across Canada. Bye-bye.